Happy Earth Day, Serendipity. Today I want to do a fun project that requires using recycled material. So I'm using newspaper for mine. If you have scraps of paper, or you can use aluminum foil, you can use fabric, anything that you can use that you want to reuse in a new way. We're going to make, and I'll show you an example, a recycled I Love Earth art project. So you can see I used newspaper and I used paint, but you can use paint. I used watercolor paint, but you can also use acrylic, tempera paint, whatever, markers, crayons, anything you guys have at home, pastels, whatever is at your home. So we're going to do this. I'm going to go step by step how to make this project. So the first things first is I'm going to take my recycled material, which for me is newspaper. So you can either freehand draw a circle, or you can use a bowl or something to trace. Earlier when I did mine, I used my dog's food bowl to trace a circle, but I'm just going to freehand it right now. So you'll take your recycled material and trace or freehand draw a circle. It's actually not bad for free drawing it. And then once you've done that, you will take scissors, if you can use scissors by yourself. If you need help from an adult or someone that you live with, like an older brother or sister, that's fine. And you will cut out the circle. Good time to practice those fine motor skills and that finger and hand dexterity. So then you have your circle cut out. It doesn't matter which side for the newspaper, whatever you guys like. And then I'm going to put this on my clipboard to show you. So we're going to have to make this look like Earth. So the shape is right. We're going to have to add our land and our water, and then in the center we're going to draw a heart because that's how much we love Earth. So I'm just going to draw 3 land masses, and they don't have to be perfect. So we're just going to draw kind of squiggly lines. 1, 2, and then a third one over here. And then you can draw, if you want, little islands or something over in the corner. And then in the center, you'll draw a heart. So I'll hold this up for you guys to see if you're still working on it. So then you're going to take whatever kind of material you're using, paint, markers, crayons, pastels, anything you guys have at home. And we're going to color in our land masses, our water, and then finally our heart. If you want, you can start in the middle and work your way out. That's what I'm going to do. So for my heart, I'm going to do red, but you can do whatever color you'd like. You can do a pattern on it, practice your AB patterns. You can do the rainbow. I'm just going to stick to the classic red when I think of a heart. So I'm going to color in that heart in the center. So it looks like that. And then I'm going to do the water. So the water, to represent Earth, is going to be a shade of blue. Light, dark blue. You can do teal if you'd like. If we're thinking of water, that's in like Bora Bora, someplace we'd all like to be. So we're going to color in around the heart, and you're going to color in the water for blue, since water does make up 71% of the Earth. Fun fact. And I think a little bit over 90% of that water is all in the ocean. So water conservation is very important to think about on Earth Day. Not just taking care of our land, but taking care of our oceans, our water systems, the animals that live in there, making sure we're not polluting. I know one of my things I always do, and have done since I was a kid, was when you get soda cans, it comes in like the plastic, is making sure you cut through all the holes so birds and fish, dolphins, animals don't get that stuck around their noses and then they can't breathe. So that's always something I did as a kid. So if you didn't do that, it's a little fun tip to do now. So I'm coloring in the blue for the ocean. I'm almost done, as you can see. Mine might not be perfect because it's hard to color this way, but your guys' will be 3-star coloring, I'm sure. So then the last is we're going to color in the land masses. And those, to kind of represent Earth, are going to be green. Once again, light green, dark green. You can do anything like that. I did this project with the Shining Stars today, and some of them got so creative. You guys can too. You can add streams in the land part. You can maybe add mountains, rivers, lakes, other landforms that you might know. So we'll color this all in green. And then the very last part of this project is going to be a writing portion. So if you can write it on your own, I'll go over how to spell all the words that we're going to write. And if you need help, you can have mom or dad or older brother or sibling, a trusted adult at home can help you. So we're going to color in that green, color in this landmass. It's fun with coloring together, kind of like we would do if we were all in class together. And then one more. Color, 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 almost done. Trying to get all those white spots. Okay, so there I've got my earth. So the last step of this is you're going to take another plain piece of paper. It can be a colored paper. I used yellow. I'm using blue now, or it can just be plain white. That's totally fine too. And then you'll take glue, tape, paper clips, whatever you guys at home. I'm going to use glue. And just put it on the back of the part that's not colored in. And we're just going to glue it in the center of the paper like that. Then lightly press down so it sticks. And then leave enough space though so we can write on the bottom. So, if you're ready to write, get your marker, your pencil out. I'm going to go over what we're going to write. We're going to write, I love Earth, exclamation point on the bottom. So you're going to write the letter I, the letter L, O, V, E. In between each word, you're going to have a 2-finger space. So 2-finger space. E, A, R, T, H, an exclamation point because we are super excited about Earth. So here we've got I love Earth. So this is your Earth Day recycled material art project. So I hope you guys had a fun Earth Day in your Zoom classes and hopefully got outside on this beautiful day. And I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.